To say that Huawei is a big deal in the smartphone market is nothing short of an understatement, but despite the company's unquestionable international success, to say nothing of its recent market growth, it's been slow to use that momentum to create a strong US presence. That situation's beginning to change, at what feels like a glacial pace, and not just for the main Huawei name. The company's also turning the spotlight on some of its sub-brands, and today we're taking a look at the latest as it gets ready to make its US retail debut, the dual-camera equipped stylish Honor 8. In the box. Honor 8. USB Type-C to standard A cable. Fast charging adapter. Warranty card. SIM tool. The Honor 8's MU 4.1 interface is going to be something for a whole lot of the phone's users, representing a not-so-subtle departure from the rank-and-file of TouchWiz and its peers. Built on Android 6.0, the interface is in many ways a simple, more pared-down alternative to standard Android. Take the app drawer, for instance. There isn't one. In a very iOS-like move, you'll find all the new apps you install turning up unceremoniously dumped on the outer pages of your home screen. As you find yourself running low on screen real estate, those apps can be grouped into subfolders whose tile of 9 appearance again conjures up memories of iOS. This is one Android fork with more than a touch of iOS envy. Instead of notifications and quick settings sharing a shade, the two frequently accessed panels instead live side by side in an interface pulled down from the top of the phone's screen. While that keeps things looking nice and clean, and provides plenty of room for the time-tagged notifications to spread out, it doesn't feel like maybe the most efficient use of space. The MU look extends beyond the basic system interface itself to apps like the gallery, calendar, clock, and media players. All offer very crisp, bordering on sparse-looking layouts, while eschewing typical Android material design. It's not really bad by any stretch, but we wonder if it's maybe all just a bit too simplistic while simultaneously lacking some of material design's subtle grace. Huawei packs the phone with both its own collection of apps, as well as some popular titles like Facebook, Twitter, and Shazam. Among the former group there are a few standout programs, particularly the easy-to-use smart controller that uses the Honor 8's IR transmitter to act as a remote control for your appliances.